Namlingia Kungamsa, Taring and Zukinazo, Modushia, Topotini, Dalai Lama Turin Lomikai. Sokpoti Tongma Kandeshi Unzuna Yumiti, Manzu Am Jizupim Lagi Sundi Tundish Guje, Kendo Nana.
Kishi Samdela to say a few words about a project that he said he would like to raise funding, and I thought about it and I felt that it would be very helpful if he could raise some funding for our project for the college that we are building, and it is called the Dalai Lama Institute for Higher Education, and this is being constructed in South India, just outside of Bangalore city, and we are very ambitious with this project because this is going to be a project where so far in India there is no university for Tibetan students, and our aim is to have in the end a university for our young people, because so far TCV has been educating children from kindergarten level up to high school level, and most of the children who go for further education, they go into the Indian colleges. And now the Dalai Lama Institute for Higher Education is going to cater to the needs of the younger generation who are going for further education. So this way, keeping in aim with the objectives of His Holiness, we want to educate the young people to be true Tibetans, to know about our culture, our cultural heritage, as well as His Holiness always stresses, to be a good human being. And so if we can have our own college, it would be of great benefit for our young people.
Sonjin di gije kinazu Sokpoti Tongma Kandeshi Unzuna Yumiti Kendo Chungiri. Sokpoti Gumi Zo ni Lumye wa zu rangi ki mezishibu shijiring nela gadi josungi gone jangwa tang. Pyogi jino rikshu nam lakda tungi yongwa chete jiso la pendi tang sishu namba takwa dukyu jeyin. Tande chalia Sokpoti nedang kande imedi ngana nyamdo jiksiga tiao. Sokpoti ni gyagar lojo Bangalore chonggi nang tenshi che yube gyagar geyong ki ngunzin yube pyobe tolup chigiyin.
one shot off. That'll count if it goes. Oh, he puts it in!